Hello, this is Walter Joyce. This is my 555 Oscillator Project for Mr. Riley's class, Audio Electronics, where we're going to be experimenting with a square wave, I believe, and then later on we're going to be doing a human theremin project. But just to set up the basic circuit, you got your 9-volt battery, your variable resistor, your brown, black, red, gold resistor, and your 103K capacitor. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the negative side, and that's going to be hooked up to the far left in the blue column, and then you're going to take your positive red to the far right column, which is the red. Move these down a little bit further, get closer to the chip. First connection you're going to make on the first leg is you're going to go ahead and jump from the blue column all the way to the first leg. Next, you're going to take the positive end of the speaker and you're going to put that right next to that on leg 1 in the first row. Third connection you're going to make, you're actually going to take your 103K capacitor and jump that from the first row to the second row, so the first leg in row 1 and the second leg in row 2. And that completes all of the connections for row 1. Then you're going to take your next connection in row 2. You're going to jump row 2 to row 6. So put that there. And finally, your other output for the speaker, the negative side, is going to go in row 3. Alright. Next step is to hook up the variable resistor. First connection goes in row 6. Oh, if you can see that, get a little bit closer there. Thank you. And the other connection goes in row 7. Then you're going to take your brown, black, red, gold, which is, I believe, 100 ohms, 5 resistance resistor from row 7, and then pop that right into row 8. Make sure that fits nice and snug in there. And the last connection is to jump from row 8 to the positive side of the red column. And as you can hear already, we're getting a pretty strong signal. We can play with that a little bit with the variable resistor. And it's still going right now, but the frequencies are below, above the human range of hearing, and you can drop it down. Okay, so that's the basic circuit for the 555 Oscillator Project. The next half, I'm going to actually be making myself a human theremin, which means I now become the variable resistor. The electric current is going to flow through me, and we'll be able to still play with those frequencies. To do that, you're going to take one part of the variable resistor, disconnect that from the circuit, and then use another wire and put that in the place of the where you just took out the 1/2 of the variable resistor. And the electric current is going right through me, and you're able to play around with the frequencies. If you squeeze on it, that changes it. You can do some pretty cool things with that. Alright, well that's the 555 Oscillator Project. Once again, my name is Walter Joyce. This is for Audio Electronics, and thank you for watching.